Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche for breakfast. First, gather your essential ingredients like 4 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream, and a 9-inch pie crust. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare your desired fillings. This could include shredded cheese, sautéed vegetables, or cooked breakfast meats. Now, let's create the creamy egg base. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or heavy cream until well combined. Season this mixture generously with salt, black pepper, and any herbs you prefer, like a ½ teaspoon of dried thyme. Then, evenly distribute your prepared fillings into the bottom of your unbaked 9-inch pie crust. With your fillings in place, carefully pour the whisked egg and milk mixture over them, ensuring everything is submerged. Place the pie crust on a baking sheet and transfer it to your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes, or until the center is just set and the top is golden brown. Once baked, remove your quiche from the oven and let it cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This cooling time helps the quiche set properly, preventing it from falling apart. Serve your warm, savory quiche with a side of fresh fruit or a light green salad for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.